Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tamara Renaye. If you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by. So as you can see by the title of today's video, we are doing another ponytail. You guys, this ponytail has me so hyped right now. I just absolutely love it. It's different, it's giving, and I am all the way here for it. So today's ponytails, they were all sent to me. Well, I actually have two, but they were sent to me from Unice Hair. This is what it's looking like. Well, this is one of them. I do have two. They are so simple and so easy to install and to get your hair looking right. Like, these ponytails give a professional did my hair, but really I'm the one that did it. And I love me a nice DIY. If I can do it myself, baby, I'm gonna do it myself. So all hair details will be down in the description box below. I don't want to do too much talking, so if you're interested in seeing how I got all dolled up or like styled and installed this ponytail, then keep on watching. All right, you guys, so today we are doing another ponytail, and I'm so excited about doing today's ponytail styles with you guys. I have two different ponytails. They are from Unice Hair. I love working with Unice. I'm going to show you the two that I have right here. These are both kinky. This is kinky straight, and then I have kinky curly. But today we are going to be doing a high ponytail. Now, you guys know I love wearing like my high buns and stuff, but I couldn't tell you the last time I've worn a high ponytail with some hair flowing down and all that good stuff, because you guys know, like, when I do ponytails, I prefer it to be low, and I've been rocking low ponytails all week. But today we're going to do a high look, and the concept with these ponytails it's still the same. Don't mind these little white things here, I gotta cut them off. But this is what the kinky straight is looking like, and we have this parting, or not parting, this piece right here that you use to wrap around the ponytail, the base of your ponytail. These ponytails, I both got them in a 22-inch, and this is definitely giving. This is what the curly one is looking like as well. Of course, I gotta wet this up, and then it will stretch and all that good stuff. Same extra piece right here to wrap around the base. And it's really, you know, pretty easy and straightforward. And we have this clip on the inside. So you guys already know how I like to do my thing. I need to take my hair out of, or get my hair out of this state. So I'll be spraying it with some water, and then of course I'll be using my Eco Styler gel. This is all I use, and if I have to, I'll go in with a bit of free spray just to have, you know, the edges and everything laid and looking good. I'm a little nervous when it comes to like the edges and stuff, doing like my baby hairs, because I have my makeup on. I like to do my hair before my makeup, but we did it the other way around today. I'm not in the mood to wash my hair, so we're just gonna spray this up with water, get it up in a ponytail, and then put these styles on for you guys to see. So let's get right into it. All right, you guys, so as you can see, my hair is all up in this ponytail. You guys, I haven't had my hair, oh, girl, don't mind the braid, but I haven't had my hair like this since middle school days. Wow, it's been so long. It legit feels like I'm in grade 6, grade 7 all over again. But this is how I am doing the ponytail for today. A little bit higher back here, as you can see. So I think I'm going to start off with, oh girl, what am I doing? Okay, I think I'm going to start off with the curly wig first. Wig, girl, I'm gonna start off with the curly ponytail first. Spray this up to, you know, get the curls going and, you know, bring them to life and stuff. And then I'm gonna go straight into installing this ponytail. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm really, really excited. Okay guys, so this is what the curly ponytail is looking like. Oh my goodness, you guys, it is such a vibe. It is so pretty. I love it so much. But like I said, I haven't had my hair in this kind of like ponytail situation in years. I think I was I don't know, I was like 12, 13 or 14 years old. So I feel young again, which is crazy, you know, like totally off topic, but I really love how it's looking, you guys. Like, it's definitely giving. It's 22 inches. Now I do have my hair braided back here, and you guys can see that green, what do you call it again, elastic band. But this is just for the sake of the video. I would definitely just wrap my hair in a ponytail, or not a ponytail, wrap it up in a little tight bun so that it can be disguised in here, if that makes any sense. But my ponytail is tucked in between, like under, if that makes any sense. You guys saw how I wrapped the ponytail around my own ponytail, but this is what it's giving. It is so pretty and nice. Now I would definitely co-wash this hair just to open up the curls and stuff, because, you know, you see how the ends are looking. It definitely needs some love, some conditioning. The hair is already soft itself, so I know that once it gets some nice conditioner and stuff like that, like, this hair is going to serve. Wow, you guys, this ponytail, she's giving. after putting in this ponytail, I did have to straighten it just a tad bit to get rid of like the natural bump or like dent that was created while the hair was in the package. So I just made sure to do one, you know, press through because I still want the kink in the hair. And also the ends were a bit bent, but now they're straightened just a little bit. And I am absolutely loving it, you guys. I really am loving it. Wow, 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 wow. I don't know if a kinky straight or a kinky curly ponytail of like 22 inches or even longer, I don't know if that exists in the hair store. Like, I really don't know. But to see the different hair textures and the different lengths that you can get in these ponytails, it just changes everything for me because I love me a good ponytail. Okay, I love me a good ponytail. And I just love that I have this kinky straight one because it, like I said before, it matches my hair texture. So it's going to look so good. It looks so good right now. And again, as I mentioned for the curly one, I am going to co-wash this ponytail as well. I just took it straight out the package. Didn't add any products onto it or anything. All I did was just, you know, press through onto my straightener, as I said. But this is how it's looking, and I am all the way here for it. I love it so, so, so much. It is definitely a look, and these high ponytails, they're really nice and perfect for the summertime because I do not like long hair like on me, on my back or anything during the hot seasons because it's annoying sometimes. Like, I will not lie to you. But to have like a nice ponytail like this, it's giving, it's needed, and I love it. So this is what we're looking like, y'all. This is what we're looking like. Let me know which one is your favorite. Do you guys like the kinky curly or the kinky straight? I love them both. Love them both. But the kinky curly does something to me. It did something to me. But I love the kinky straight as well. But let me know which one is your favorite down below. All right, you guys, so this brings me to the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love these ponytails. It's definitely giving me vibes, definitely giving me the feels, and I absolutely love it. Here for it all the way. All hair details will be down in the description box below, so do check that out. Give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already, and hit that little bell to be notified whenever I upload a video so you never miss a video. Follow me on Instagram at Tamara Renaye. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.